I am DK Sinha and you are watching DK Global Market Insights. Nvidia, the company, is powering the entire AI revolution. But if I tell you that this stock has already corrected more than 20% from its peak, from around $212 to it has fallen to the level of $174. Now the real question is this just a healthy correction or the beginning of something bigger? Because the high growth stocks, corrections often separate smart money from emotional money. Nvidia is not just another tech company. It is the backbone of AI infrastructure. Every large language model, every AI application, somewhere in the background, Nvidia chips are working. So when the stock like this corrects, we don't panic, we analyze. Remember, market returns are never guaranteed and hence never ignore the risk management. Let us begin today's analysis of Nvidia stock. First, look at the most important driver, growth. Nvidia's earning has grown at around 60% annually over the last 5 years, while the industry is barely growing at a single digit. And in the last year, earnings have grown at around 65%. This is not a normal growth. This is AI driven explosive growth. Return ratios. Now, growth is good, but the real question is how efficiently is the company using capital? Nvidia's return on equity, that is ROE, is around 76% compared to industry's average of 12%. Think about it. For every $100 of capital, they are generating massive profits. This is certainly a sign of high quality business, not just a fast growing one. Debt analysis. Now let us check the risk part of it, because the growth without stability is dangerous. Nvidia has reduced its debt to equity ratio from 40% to just around 5%. On top of that, strong cash flows are covering debt very comfortably and interest payment is not at all a concern. So clearly, balance sheet is very strong. Future growth. Now comes the important shift, the future. Analysts expect earning growth around 22 to 24% going forward. Now compare this carefully. Earlier it was 60% plus. Now it is expected to normalize. So what does this mean? The company is still growing strongly, but the hype growth phase is cooling down. Future ROE. Even more interesting. The future return on equity is expected to be around 46-47%. Yes, it may come down from extreme levels, but it still remains quite high, which means profitability strength is likely to continue. Valuation, DCF model. Now comes the most critical part, valuation. Current price is around $174 when I am creating this video, while the estimated fair value is around $187. So after this correction of around 22%, the stock appears slightly undervalued. Earlier it was expensive, now it is moving towards reasonable territory. P ratio, and this is where the things get interesting. Current P is around 35 times, while the fair P is estimated closer to 50 times. So from the growth adjusted perspective, valuation pressure is reducing. This is something many investors miss. Price correction improves valuation even if fundamentals stay strong. So fundamentally, strong growth, high profitability, strong balance sheet, improving valuation. But remember, price action always gives the final confirmation. Let us move to the chart. This is the monthly chart of Nvidia stock on Nasdaq. Look at very closely the price action. Whenever there is a shallow correction, this EMA 21 acts as a dynamic support, while whenever there is a deeper correction like this, EMA 55 acts as a very important support or dynamic support. What does this mean? It means that EMA 21 and EMA 55 are working as a datum providing the dynamic support. Now look at the recent price action. In the month of November 2025, in a single month, this stock corrected 12.59%. But there was no follow through on downside. And then after that, you can find that very small body candlestick pattern is under formation. That means there is no follow through. Very important observation is that in the month of March, we have a nearly doji kind of formation or a spinning top. And in this current month, it has started a gap up opening and now currently trading at something around 176.92. So what is the important level to watch is $182.2. If this stock closes above this important level, which is the median of this bearish candle, what will happen? It will form a morning star kind of candlestick pattern, because earlier it formed the evening star, but there is no follow through of this evening star. So the moment price closes above $182.2, it may resume its uptrend. Now let us understand whether the price action is rhythmic or not. Can you see here the price consolidated in this range? And this was a very strong resistance, and finally this was broken out over here. So if we project the target on the basis of this range, let us project the target. You can see the price attained the level of 61.8% expansion level on Fibonacci expansion tool, and then this correction started. So this correction is started, which was well expected based on the price action. So when the trend resumption takes place, the next potential level could be 100% expansion, which approximately arrive at $257. Now, can we draw some observational trend line which might help us to manage our risk? Because nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. I am drawing this trend line. Can you see this trend line is very important? Price has taken support here. Price has taken support here. Since it has only two touch points, so this should be understood as a observational trend line. And there is EMA 21 above it. So this area is a potential demand area. Now look at the number of times it got rejected here. So this resistance will act as a support. So zone between $138 to $149 is an immediate demand area, because there is an added support of this trend line along with EMA 21 as well. Now this is the weekly chart of Nvidia stock. What we can see, it is taking support at EMA 55, which is very significant. And now it is forming a bullish candlestick pattern. Now let us check the momentum indicator. This is RSI. Can you see here the earlier RSI has a tendency to take support at around 40, and now it is turning up from the level of 42. At the same time, we can see the stochastic, which has already indicated the bullish crossover from the oversold territory. Now, based on the price action in weekly price chart, it has taken multiple support over here, over here, over here. So immediate intermittent support stands at around $164, which is also a support of EMA 55 in weekly time frame. Now this is the daily price chart. What we can see over here, earlier it has formed the one white soldier candlestick pattern, and we can see some follow through on this, but it is currently trading below SMA 144, EMA 21 and EMA 55. So overall trend is bearish. What does it mean? It is trading in a markdown phase. So we need to have some confirmation in shape of some reversal chart pattern. It could be double bottom, triple bottom, or inverse head and shoulder. So when it starts trading above this resistance area, and that is something around $182.2, which is a median in the monthly price chart, we might see some kind of reversal chart pattern coming forth, because at that point of time, It might trade above EMA 21, EMA 55 and SMA 144. Currently, SMA 144 reads at $183.73. He look at the stochastic. It has already indicated the bullish crossover from the oversold territory. There is a bounce back with a bullish swing breakout on RSI, the momentum indicator. So what we have understood, Nvidia is a high quality, high growth company, but also a high expectation stock. And that is very important because in such stocks, corrections are normal, but entries must be planned. So instead of asking, should I buy or sell? A better question is, when does the price confirm the opportunity? So the levels which we have discussed, just set an alert on the chart, and the moment it gives a breakout of some reversal chart pattern, then it will confirm that the trend is changing. Looking forward to meet you in the next video. In the meantime, stay disciplined. Thank you very much for watching.